Hello, and welcome once again to the Daily Message. This week I'm offering some brief reflections on some principles of Catholic teaching that are rooted in Scripture, are a part of our Catholic Christian tradition, but have been given new emphasis and focus, especially since the time of the Second Vatican Council. So yesterday I talked about the principle of human dignity. Today I want to talk about something that flows from our dignity as human beings created by God, and that is the principle of human rights. So where do our rights as human beings come from? From whence do they flow? Well, according to our tradition, they flow from the fact that we are created by God. And so our faith tells us that because we are creatures of God, created in God's image, it is because of that fact that we are endowed with rights, that we have the right to life, the right to food and clothing and shelter and education, and the right to make a living, and the right to health care, and several other human rights. These are not rights that are granted to us by society. These rights are not granted to us by governments. These rights are ours because we simply are human beings. And so that means two things. It means that it's up to us to recognize our rights, to exercise our rights. It's also our job to make sure that everyone on this earth has the ability to exercise their rights, has the right to all of those things which comprise a life that is fulfilled and a life that flourishes. And so our belief in human rights flows from, again, the very fact that we are created, the very fact that we are here on earth, and for no other reason we have these rights. These rights accrue to us as human beings. I hope that's been helpful. I hope you have a great day today, and thank you so much for watching once again.